Xin Chao, what's up everybody? Alright, today we are doing another unboxing. We pretty much are doing a new gear setup. All my stuff got towards a point of being old or worn out. We replaced the ZV-1 recently with the E10, which has been a phenomenal product. I'm gonna do a review on that. It's so much better than the ZV-1, but this one is gonna be the Insta360 Go 3, so thumbnail. Yeah, those thumbnails work. So we're doing not a tech channel, but just, you know, I am a tech guy. I would love to do a tech channel at some point as well. I do find this stuff very interesting. But yes, why did I get this camera? Why did we get a Go 3? Odd choice, you would ask yourself. Well, I stream a lot, so I'm a full-time YouTuber, as we know. We're back to 2 videos a day on YouTube. We're also live streaming anywhere between 2 to 7 hours a day, pretty much 6 to 7 days a week right now on Kick as well, on top of the YouTubing. So I use a new setup for streaming. I actually use the Sony X3000, sitting over here right now. I actually use the Sony X3000 as the stream camera, so this goes into a backpack. I'm going to do videos on the Bella box and how to build one and all that stuff too for streaming. That'll be future videos. So back to this, and where am I getting with that? This is going to hook in directly and let me use this wirelessly with my Bella box to live stream. I can jump in the water with it on stream. I can do a bunch of other cool stuff with it. So let's get into it. Let's look at it. Let's read the specs. Let's do all that stuff. Let me center this guy here. It is lightweight and portable. It is magnetic mounting system. This is one of the things about it that's a big deal. I like to go to red light areas. I don't care about filming the girls. I'll actually blur out, you know, if they're clearly obvious on camera. But my thing is not to try to film girls or anything like the other guys try to do with that type of stuff. I just want to show the area and show that they exist somewhere. So yeah, it's just easier to film. It's more discreet, so it'll allow me to just be a lot more discreet in a lot more areas. There's a lot of troubles filming indoor places. They start to see a camera and all this stuff. So this is just gonna give us a lot of opportunity in that end as well. It's gonna give me hands-free content. It comes with a clip that I'll be able to clip on my hat and always have the camera on the hat. So it could be great secondary. I did not have tremendous luck with the other Insta360 camera for what I wanted, but that camera is really good if you just use it during the day. You know, it's not a nighttime camera. I can almost guarantee you this camera's not going to be great at night. I've watched the footage too, but for how small this is, it'll be okay. You got to use their software. It's one of the things that kind of suck about Insta360, but yeah, you got to use their software to kind of edit it. Flow state, that's their software stuff. AI powered editing, 2.K. Anyways, let's get into it. This is unboxing. I feel that I am digressing too much, but people are going to ask like why I bought this and what for, and what did I need it for. We got the funds through this through live streaming, so shout out to the people at TTS for this camera. So let's open this sucker up. So this was not opened and QR checked in Vietnam. I bought it in the store from the guy who wanted to take it apart. I'm like, nah, I'll do an unboxing. He's like, just film it. So it's the first time they're like, if you film it and something's wrong with it, you know, then we'll know. So we're doing the unboxing on camera. Trying to keep it in frame. I also need to like put this here to then know that we're in frame. I'm new to the unboxing stuff. So right away, this is a big reason why we got this camera. I mean, look, you can barely tell what that is. There's a black one. I was trying to get the black one that's not available in Vietnam yet, and they said it's gonna be like a month. So I am gonna make this thing black. They have skins for it, so it will be black. I mean, if you saw this and it was just black blended in, it would be very hard to tell if you're just walking down the street, you know? So this is really the main reason for that, as well as that it's gonna be able to connect in with my setup, you know? Okay, so we have the camera. It's the first thing on the box. Looks cool. We got a big user guide. Hopefully I can become a fan of Insta360. We are also getting their web camera for the stream room camera. I am going to be streaming at home as well, on top of IRL streaming. I do feel that I know what we can do at home to stream properly. So we're going to continue trying that out. We'll be getting their link camera for that. There should be all kinds of stuff in here. It's actually such a compact little camera. I like it so far. protectors in here. More stuff down here. Oh yeah, there's cable. It's a big box full of stuff. Okay. So, got this box. You've got the manuals, of course, waterproofing guide, warranty card. I'm going to read all this stuff. Quick starts, Insta360 stickers, the moisture packet, USB cable. This looks like the magnet, some kind of magnet piece probably. You know, this is the magnet chain, so it comes with like a lanyard, a magnet lanyard type deal. Pretty cool. We'll look at that in a second. So this is the clip I was talking about for the hat. So I mean, it comes with all this stuff too, so you don't have to buy it. Like sometimes these places make you go and buy all this stuff third party. So this is like the clip that kind of clips on anything, as you can see. So put that. I'm gonna put that to where you can see it. I'll put that over here. Put the camera over here. I'm sorry the lighting's bad. Again, I'm not like a professional at unboxing. Another base stand that sticks on anything. This pretty much sticks on any surface, is reusable, so you can put it in like weird angles. That's the whole kind of point of this camera, is you can also do like really crazy weird angles. This is the base station. This is where you can read the video and make it like a full action camera, you know. So we'll dive into all that stuff when we get to those parts. This is another clip mount, so you can clip it onto a pole and then use it like a selfie stick. This is the necklace. Yes, correct, the necklace. There you go. And see, clips right on there. So see the advantages of all that? Like, let me show you. Let me show you. That's pretty discreet. Now if it was black, if I had a white shirt on, but that's, you would have to really be looking for that. So, I like that about it. The video quality, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing in their flow state, but I got really good at it with the other Insta camera towards the last few videos and started to get pretty good footage out of that camera. So I imagine the same can go here. What is this? User guide. I think just a clip. So this is just, I don't know what this is. A little stand or something. Optional angle adjustment. Oh, for tilting the camera. Oh, look, it even gives you a tilt. So this gives you a tilt on this. This will give you a tilt. See? So it'll give you a tilt. That's pretty cool. So that's really the unboxing for this product, guys. I'm excited to test this out. You'll see the footage on it. I'm excited to stream with it. I'm excited to hook it all up. I've got to do it all tonight. We've got a huge trip coming on. You're going to be watching this video in real time. It's going to be literally out on the internet an hour later. I'm going to be in 3 different cities on a 2-week tour of Vietnam starting tomorrow. So we will be live streaming. It will be fun. We're going to different hotels. We're going to have some stuff planned. So I look forward to it all. If you want to support me in additional ways, there's Patreon content. Of course, there's going to be some exclusive trip videos exclusive to the Patreon only. So if you really want to see everything we're going to do in this trip, you're going to need to sign up for the Patreon. That's $5 a month. If you want to watch me live stream, that's at kick.com/zpats. As ever, guys, stay frosty. I thank you so much. I've got to hit both buttons so the audio is not too hard to adjust. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.